how to fix Bluetooth delay on iPhone. To fix the Bluetooth delay on an iPhone, first step is to check the proximity. Make sure your iPhone and the Bluetooth device are within close range, usually just about 10 meters, as distance can weaken the signal and cause delays. You can also try to check for Bluetooth settings manually by going to Settings, going to Bluetooth, try toggling it off and toggling it on again. And from there you might be able to see those Bluetooth settings that you might be here. If there's a certain device, then you can try to forget that device and reconnect it again to hopefully make sure that might help you solve the problem. Now you can also try to restart your iPhone, so press the power button on your iPhone to slide to power off and reopen it again, as well as do the same for the Bluetooth device. Just turn it off and turn on both of these at the same time and try to look for devices manually. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.